How to get rid of mosquitoes in your backyard. Because your patio should be for relaxing, not donating blood. Hi, I'm Margarett Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, and today we're talking about one of Florida's most determined little villains, the backyard mosquito. You know the one. You finally sit outside with a cold drink, the grill is going, the sunset is showing off, and then suddenly your ankles become an all-night eat buffet. Florida mosquitoes do not politely ask for permission. They arrive like they own the deed, the HOA, and the backyard furniture. But don't worry, with a few smart steps, you can take back your backyard and make those tiny vampires look for dinner someplace else. Start with standing water hunt. Mosquitoes love standing water like buyers love a well-priced pool home. Even the tiniest amount can become a mosquito nursery central. So check around your yard for buckets, plant saucers, bird baths, kid toys, old tires, wheelbarrows, clogged gutters, pool covers, dog bowls, low spots in the yard, decorative fountains that are not circulating. Mosquitoes can breed in a shockingly small amount of water. So do a weekly walk around and dump anything that is collecting water. Think of it as your backyard inspection. Except instead of looking for roof age and AC life, you're evicting winged squatters. Next, keep the yard trimmed and tidy. Mosquitoes are not big fans of hot, dry, open areas. They prefer shady, damp areas where they can hide during the day and plot their evening attack. Keep your lawn mowed, bushes trimmed, and overgrown areas cleaned up. Remove piles of leaves, yard debris, and anything creating damp hiding spots. Basically, if your landscaping looks like a jungle adventure tour, mosquitoes are probably handing out brochures. And number 3, use fans on your patio. Here's a simple trick. Mosquitoes are weak flyers. Yes, for something so annoying, they are surprisingly bad at flying in a breeze. A good outdoor fan can make your patio much less inviting to them. Try placing fans near seating areas, outdoor tables, or screened rooms. Not only does it help keep mosquitoes away, but it also makes us sitting outside in Florida feel slightly less like you're baking inside like a biscuit. Next, add mosquito-repelling plants. Some plants may help discourage mosquitoes, especially when placed around patios and walkways. Popular options include citronella grass, lavender, lemongrass, marigolds, rosemary, basil, and mint. Now let's be honest. One tiny citronella plant in the corner is not going to defeat the mosquito army by itself. But grouped together and combined with other steps, these plants can help make your backyard less inviting. And bonus, many of them smell wonderful and make your patio look cute. Mosquito control with curb appeal? Yes, please. Next, try mosquito dunks for water you cannot dump. If you have a pond, bird bath, rain barrel, or other water features that need to stay, mosquito dunks can be a helpful option. They're designed to target mosquito larvae before they become flying ankle attackers. Always follow the directions, especially if you have pets, fish, or wildlife nearby. This is one of those read the label, don't just wing it moments. Mosquitoes wing it, we do not. Number 6, clean your gutters. Clogged gutters are sneaky mosquito breeding grounds. Leaves and debris trap water, and before you know it, your roof line has become a luxury mosquito maternity ward. Clean gutters regularly, especially after storms. On the Space Coast, when summer rain can show up like an uninvited guest with dramatic timing, gutters can fill fast. A clean gutter is not glamorous, but neither is scratching your legs for 3 days after one evening outside. Number 7, consider a screened room or screened patio. If you live in Florida, a screened porch is basically outdoor living with a security guard. Screened patios, lanais, and pool enclosures let you enjoy the breeze, the view, and your morning coffee without feeling like you're part of a mosquito taste testing event. And here's my realtor plug because you knew it was coming. If your current backyard is too tiny, too buggy, too boring, or simply not living up to its full Florida potential, I can help you find a home with an amazing backyard where you can grill, garden, relax, entertain, and test out all these mosquito removing tricks like the backyard boss you are. Next, Use outdoor lighting wisely. Some bugs are attracted to certain lights, so consider switching to warmer outdoor bulbs or yellow bug light style bulbs near seating areas. This will not magically create a mosquito-free palace, but it can help reduce the bug party around your patio. Because nothing says romantic evening outside like a porch light turning into a nightclub for flying insects. Number 9, keep pools and fountains moving. Mosquitoes love stagnant water, but they're not big fans of moving water. If you have a pool, keep it properly maintained and circulating. If you have a fountain, make sure the pump works. If you have a pond, consider adding movement or features that prevent still water. A clean moving water feature says relaxing oasis, and a neglected one says mosquito resort with free breakfast. And unfortunately, you are breakfast. Number 10, use repellent when needed. Sometimes the mosquitoes are extra spicy, especially around dusk and dawn. If you're going to be outside during peak mosquito hours, use an appropriate mosquito repellent and follow the directions. You can also keep patio-safe repellent like citronella candles or mosquito coils nearby, depending on your space and comfort level. Just remember, candles help the vibe, fans help the fight, and removing standing water is the real MVP. Number 11, invite the good guys. Bats, birds, dragonflies, and certain fish can help reduce mosquito population naturally. You may not want to turn your backyard into a full wildlife documentary, but encouraging a balanced outdoor environment can help. Bird houses, bat houses, and fish in appropriate ponds can all be part of a bigger mosquito control plan. And just maybe don't name the mosquitoes. Once you name them, eviction gets emotional. And last, call the pros if they have taken over. If you have tried everything and your backyard still feels like a mosquito headquarters, it might be time to call a professional pest control company. Sometimes you need backup. There is no shame in bringing in the cavalry when the mosquitoes have clearly formed a committee. Final thoughts? Take back your backyard. Your backyard should be for cookouts, coffee, pets, grandkids, kids, gardening, relaxing, and maybe even a little look at me living my best Florida life moment. It should not be a mosquito buffet with patio furniture. So start with the basics. Remove standing water, trim landscaping, use fans, treat water features properly, and keep your outdoor spaces clean and breezy. Add plants, lighting changes, and screened areas for extra comfort. And when all else fails, remember this. Mosquitoes may be tiny, but you have strategy, fans, and hopefully a very good realtor. I'm Margarett Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, and if you're dreaming of a home with a bigger backyard, a screened porch, a pool, a garden, or just enough space to test every mosquito-removing gadget known to mankind, I would love to help you find it. Because the right home should give you room to live, life, grill, garden, and enjoy the Florida lifestyle without becoming the mosquito's favorite snack. Ready to find a home with a backyard worth bragging about? Call or text me anytime. 321-480-7662. Email me at margarett.klein@exprealty.com and start your home search here on my website at margarettsellsdreamhomes.com. You can also watch Space Coast home tours and local videos on my YouTube channel, Dream Home Space Coast Florida. Follow along for homes, tips, tours, and a little Florida fun on my YouTube channel at the Dream Home Space Coast Florida. Margarett Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, signing off. And you have an amazing, hopefully mosquito-free day.